Microblasting combines hard abrasives with a high-velocity airstream to cut patterns and structures into brittle surfaces. Jet machining does not generate heat or vibration, making it effective on very thin metals or fragile ceramic substrates. Effective automation allows for depth control to 70 nanometers. Traditional machining processes mill down layers starting from the highest point. Microblasting follows the contours of the surface, removing uniform layers regardless of part geometry. Our process combines high velocity with low volume to achieve efficiency with pinpoint accuracy.